If you need to update the phone number associated with your Robinhood account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account information is current and secure. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your account settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Settings menu, look for the Personal Information option. Tap on it to view current account details, including your phone number. Step 4. Edit Phone Number. Find the section that displays your phone number. Tap on the edit icon of the phone number itself to begin the process of changing it. Enter your new phone number carefully. Step 5. Verify new phone number. After entering your new phone number, Robinhood will send a verification code to that number. Check your messages for the code, enter it in the app, and confirm the change. Make sure to keep your contact information up to date to maintain account security and receive important notifications. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Robinhood support for assistance.